Hello everyone and welcome back. So today's video I am going to be sharing with you holiday outfits. And I'm so excited about this because it's not just one outfit, but I'm actually going to be showing you several. And what's going to happen is I'm going to try them on with, say, this shoe, but just know that you can take a shoe from any outfit that I'm going to show you and put it in with the outfit of your choice. Maybe you see an outfit that you like, but you didn't like it with the shoe that I wore. Everything that I'm showing you can really be mixed and matched from the top to the bottom, the skirt to the pant. And so I'm very excited about this. I kind of shop that way where things can coordinate so that when I'm buying a new shirt or a new outfit for a holiday party, it is something that can work into my everyday wardrobe, something I can wear with jeans, I can wear dressy, I can wear casual. Everything that I talk about is going to be linked below in the description box, from the accessories all the way down to the shoes. I hope you find something that you love here and maybe something that you can wear to an upcoming party that you may have. So welcome if you are new. Make yourself at home here. Literally, I have cleared my living room space out for this, and let's get into the outfits. Please bear with me as I have not done a voiceover in a really long time, and I've already done this like 20 times. Let's start off with something simple. This is a very basic, easy way to get dressed for a holiday party. It doesn't even matter what kind of party that you're going to. You want to be comfortable. You're going to probably eat a lot of food. Put on a pair of basic black denim, and then I have paired it with a cream sweater because I really wanted the star of the show to be these boots. And in order to show off the boots, I wanted to tie in a little bit more of the red. I have accessorized with a red belt, which I think is adorable. This is an adjustable belt, and this is sold at QVC. Hopefully they still sell it because it's a really genius belt. Now, these boots are the star. They are amazing. They are comfortable. They are by Sam Edelman, and they are suede. They are one of those boots that you can wear with denim, but you could also wear them with a skirt as well, which I said earlier in the video, you can mix and match all of these shoes to all these different outfits. The color of these is gorgeous. The heel is perfect. I wore these all day last week, and because of the block heel, I did not get uncomfortable at all. So for my accessory, I've simply worn the Nadry teardrop style hoops because I wanted the focus to be on the boots. Now this next outfit is fun. And I was kind of playing around putting these sunglasses on, but they have a leopard print to them. These are the Key times Jaclyn Hill sunglasses. Anyways, you can wear denim after Labor Day. In fact, I love white denim. I think they're fantastic. These ones have a little bit of destruction to them, but white and red just goes amazing. Put on a statement necklace. This one's silver, and I think silver, it goes really well with white. It's just very crisp. Little black belt just to kind of bring a little bit of interest around the waist area. But these heels are indeed the star of this outfit. These are also by Sam Edelman, and these are the hazel pump. I love leopard print, and I think it's a very classy way to do it is in a heel. And these are going to take you a long way because it's adding interest. It's adding, like a pattern, but it's not a crazy pattern. Like, it's something that you can work into your everyday, outfits, everyday wardrobe. A little black clutch. I just love how red and white just goes so well with the leopard. Now, same heels, but I have put on this dress. Now, would you believe this dress is a little sweater dress? It's kind of like a bodycon, close to the body dress, and it's from Amazon. $34.99. It is a sweater dress, and it has a very, a fine rib knit to it. It's not like a chunky knit, it's just very fine. This is black. It does come in other colors. This is just wonderful. It's form-fitting, but it's not overkill. You can still move around in it. You can sit, you can squat, all that kind of thing. My little clutch here is my wedding day clutch, actually, and I thought it paired really well with the black, just a little pop of color. And because of the statement necklace, I did not want to do a statement earring, so we just have on a basic, just little stud earring. Anything like that would do. I love how elegant this outfit is. Next, we have something that is just comfortable. Now, you can't tell. I'll get in a little closer here and you'll be able to see the color of those leggings, but they are not black. And this sweater is so soft. It's from H&M. There you go. There you go. So because the bottom is very form-fitted, I wanted the top to be a little bit more loose. This clutch is from Target. Can you believe it? And it matches perfectly with these leggings. These are Spanx leggings, and they are a velvet. They are a burgundy shade, which is so gorgeous. Now, the camera lighting's kind of exaggerating them there. They are a true burgundy. They're so soft. They are wonderful. You know what Spanx leggings does for a woman, like seriously. And then I wanted to have fun with my shoe, so I decided to pair it with a pair of Leopard Kinsey booties from Sam Edelman. And I would probably tuck in this sweater a little bit there, maybe do like the half tuck thing. And then for my accessories, I've thrown on a really fun, fabulous pair of earrings, and they are from H&M. Next is this outfit, and I love these pants. I think these are one of my favorite outfit, like my favorite finds. I saw them and I'm like, I can do so much with those pants. They're so interesting, they're adorable, they're classy, they're figure flattering. I love the bow detail. I think that it adds a lot of interest to the waist area and really emphasizes my figure. I love the little ruffling details. I just love everything about them. They're so comfortable, like seriously, so comfortable. They're the perfect length too if you wanted to show off a boot or a heel, if you wanted to do a different style of heel. I just paired it with a fitted black turtleneck. It's just got a similar, like, you know, close ribbing. I actually showed this turtleneck in a different video. It's from Gap. It's very affordable. These pants, I think if you're going to do this style of pant, then you need to do something fitted at the top. And because I did the black top, I wanted to do the little black clutch just to kind of tie it all together. And these heels are actually not the Valentino rock studs that they look like. They are a knockoff little dupe situation I found at DSW. They're by BCB Generation, I believe. And then for my earring, another fun little costume jewelry thing, H&M. Statement says a lot, but it actually is very simple. So I didn't want to go overkill because there's a cute little bow on the pants. I really wanted the pants to be the center of this outfit. And of course we included a butt shot for some reason. I'm sorry. This next outfit I have on the same top, but if you weren't a pants person, or maybe you don't want to wear pants, or maybe you want to wear a skirt, get yourself to Target. This skirt is from Target and a New Day brand, and it is so stinking cute. It is elastic waist. There's no zippers. There's nothing that can fall off. You just pull this bad boy on. I love the little is like chiffon or like the pleats. I think the pleats are so feminine, and I think it screams holiday party. I love the black and the red paired with the leopard heels. Once again, it's just very simple. It's comfortable. Everything about this outfit is comfortable. Everything I wear has to be comfortable. And then my handbag is Rebecca Minkoff's Love Crossbody. Love this bag. It goes so well with casual, but as you can see, it goes perfectly with a little dressier outfit. Now add in a belt. So this is a red belt. It's a wider belt that I had in my closet. And if you wanted to do that, sure, why not? It looks amazing. Just adds a little bit more red. I love how it just, emphasizes the waist area. So if that's something that you would like to draw interest to or to make look smaller, do that. Another option is black. So this is a black wide belt. If anything, this kind of elongates my torso because it makes, it's black versus the red kind of elongated like from the legs up. So it just depends what you're going for. Now this next outfit's fun. I wanted to have a little bit of fun. This skirt is from Target. And it comes in 3 colors. I bought all 3 because it's that good. It's a pull-on situation as well. And it's a midi length. And it's a little satin skirt with a little ruffle detailing. And I thought it was fun to pair these with these boots. Of course, it would look a little dressier if you did like a sandal or a stiletto heel. But I thought the boots were really fun. And I particularly love the little button details on the boots. It reminds me of something from like a different century. A little bit antique, a little vintage, very classy, super cute. They're more of like a pinky red. Now, the camera's a little, the lighting and all that stuff I'm trying to figure out. Makes them look a little bit darker, but they are indeed, there we go. That brighter red is what they actually are. And that skirt, you guys, so good. So this is the same skirt, but navy. So navy is another option. I think navy and gold and white is very classy. These are the Sam Edelman navy suede pumps. They literally match the skirt perfectly. And then just a classic blouse. I mean, everyone probably has this in their closet. If not, you should, because you can really, wear a little white button up so many directions in so many different types of outfits. And those pumps are just perfection. Next, we have the same skirt with the same navy pumps, but maybe you're not a button-up kind of gal. Maybe you want to wear a little sweater. This is white, and it's a very crisp, clear, true white. And it looks so pretty with navy. I really love crisp, clear, clean colors together. And I think this just screams winter party between the texture of the scarf and then the color. Crisp white, you can't go wrong. And these navy suede pumps are so comfortable, and I'm really happy and pleased with the color of them. And then there's those earrings once again. Mind you, I don't have makeup on for any of these because I did not want to get makeup all over any of my beautiful outfits, and so that's why there is sans makeup. All right, so this is the same pair of pants that I absolutely love, but in black. And then this top is a little turtleneck. It is a creamy white color, but my favorite part about it is the little button details at the wrist, and those buttons mimic the same button detailing that are in those boots. So these pants we've already seen in red, but here they are in black. I had to have them both. They are fabulous. You can wear heels or stiletto heels or a little, strappy sandal with these pants or the Valentino ones, but I thought the boot was fun. And depending on where you live, you might not be able to do heels, and boots are definitely always an option. Look how cute. Ruffles, buttons, it's killing me. I absolutely love all of those little details. I think that the red makes the whole outfit just kind of pops. It's comfortable. It's so cute. It just makes sense. Another little accessory I have on the Nadry hoops once again, those teardrop earrings I've gotten a lot of wear out of. They do have the inside out hoops as well that I love, but I think that these teardrop style are just a little bit more elegant and a little bit more dressy. I don't know about you, but I have a few holiday parties coming up, and I don't even know which one I'm going to be able to choose from all of these options. There's so many good things. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.